Every month you earn, every month you spend, and every month somehow it is all gone. Most people do not have a money problem. They have a direction problem. No plan means your money has no destination. There is a rule used by millions. It divides every dollar you earn into 3 parts. It is called the 503020 rule. 50% for your needs, 30% for your wants, and 20% for your future. Needs are non-negotiable. Rent, food, utilities, and transport. These should not cross 50% of your income. Wants are what you enjoy, like dining out or shopping. These are valid, but keep them within 30%. 20% is your future self's salary, emergency funds, and investments. This is where the magic of compounding happens. Let us make it real. If you earn $30,000, $15,000 goes to needs, $9,000 to wants, and $6,000 to savings. That $6,000, invested monthly for 10 years, grows significantly. Compounding needs consistency, and this rule gives you exactly that. 1 rule, 3 buckets, a lifetime of clarity. Start this month and take control of your financial future.